Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be a follow-up video. I did a video where I was CCing these Cleveland open chamber cylinder heads, and I purposely left the carbon deposits in this chamber when I CC'd it because that's the way it is when you run it. When you run an engine, it's going to have carbon in it. But I want to see what's the difference. So I cleaned out the carbon out of this cylinder or chamber. Just used an electric drill with a wire brush on it. Scraped all loose stuff off with a screwdriver, and now I'm going to re-CC it and see just how much space that carbon took up. So let me set this up here. So you can kind of see it. That's close enough. Let's get going. Put some grease on there. Okay, and take my plate with a hole in it, put it on here, put it down, and I'm starting with 100 cc's of the same windshield washer fluid I used before. And it was 75.2 cc's with the carbon in there. So now I'm going to redo it and see just how much space that carbon took up. We're getting full. Okay, it's full. Turn that off, and I look, and it says 76 cc's. So that carbon took 0.8 cc's. Wow, I would not have guessed that. I would have thought it would have been, maybe 0.2 or 3 cc's. But 0.8 cc's, almost a full cc for the carbon. Well, that means when you're running with carbon, you have more compression. Thanks for watching. Bye.